Before buying a dash cam, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many dash cams promise clear footage and advanced features, but the real difference is in how they perform when it matters most.
Product number 1. Wolfbox G840S. The Wolfbox G840S is a 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam that caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features, priced at $139.99. If you want a clear view of everything happening around your vehicle, this is worth a serious look. What I love about the G840S is its stunning 4K UHD resolution, which means you can zoom in and actually identify a face from up to 30 feet away. This can be critical if you're involved in an incident. Plus, it has a larger 12-inch display, giving you 1.5 times more viewing area than standard mirrors, which reduces those pesky blind spots. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual cameras, one facing forward and one for the rear, are equipped with superior night vision and HDR technology. This means you'll get balanced lighting no matter the time of day. With over 3,000 sold recently, it's clear that people trust this product to keep them safe. Now, some users mention that the setup can be tricky, especially if you're not tech savvy. Here's the thing though, once you get it up and running, the peace of mind it provides is totally worth it. If you're willing to invest a little time, the G840S really shines. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable dash cam that covers all angles and offers great night vision. Skip this one if you need something super simple and don't want to deal with any installation challenges. For the price, it's a solid investment for your vehicle's safety. Now, if that setup process worried you, the next one is a breeze to install and still delivers high-quality footage.
Product number 2, Vantrue N4S. We have the Vantrue N4S, a triple-channel dash cam priced at $189.99. This one really stands out for anyone who needs comprehensive coverage, especially rideshare drivers. If you want to capture every angle, this is definitely worth your attention. The N4S features 3 cameras, front, inside, and rear, that record in Super HD clarity. With resolutions of 2.7K for the front and 1440p for the other two, you won't miss a detail, no matter the lighting conditions. The night vision capabilities, powered by Starvis 2 technology, enhance your visibility in low light, which is crucial for those late-night drives. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a parking mode that activates when motion is detected, ensuring your vehicle is monitored even when you're not around. Plus, with support for up to a 1 terabyte SD card, you won't have to worry about running out of storage on long trips. Over 2,000 of these have been claimed recently, highlighting its popularity. However, some users have commented on the size of the cameras being a bit bulky. But honestly, the comprehensive coverage you get makes it a minor trade-off for many. If you're serious about capturing everything around you, this one is a great option. This is perfect for you if you drive for a living or want peace of mind when parked. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact design. For anyone needing extensive coverage, the value here is undeniable.
Product number 3, Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. Compact size is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3, priced at just $118.74. This little guy is perfect for those who want a discreet option without sacrificing quality. If you're after a low-profile camera that does its job well, you'll want to hear about this. The Mini 3 records in crisp 1080p HD, capturing a 140-degree field of view. It automatically saves footage when it detects an incident, which is super helpful if you get into an unexpected situation. Plus, the built-in clarity polarizer lens helps reduce glare, ensuring you see all the important details. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The voice control feature means you can save footage hands-free, which is a real game changer if you need to react quickly. It also offers a parking guard feature that sends alerts to your phone if any incidents occur while you're away from your vehicle. With thousands sold, it's clearly a beloved choice. However, some users have noted that it lacks a display screen, which can be frustrating if you want to check footage on the spot. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something discreet and easy to use, that trade-off might not matter much. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, easy-to-use dashcam that fits seamlessly into your car. Skip this one if you prefer a larger screen for real-time viewing. For its price and performance, it's a solid pick.
Product number 4, Zunfly W2. Priced at $99.99. If you're looking for value, this one's a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. If you want 360-degree coverage without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. This dashcam captures video from 4 different lenses, delivering a total resolution of 2K for the front camera and 1080p for the 3 secondary cameras. The 170-degree wide-angle view means you're covered from every angle, perfect for those tight parking spots or busy intersections. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in GPS tracks your speed and location, which can be crucial for insurance claims. Plus, with 24/7 parking mode, your car is monitored even when you're not around, ensuring you have evidence if anything happens. It's been bought over 500 times recently, showing it's gaining traction. Some users did mention that the setup can take a while, especially with the multiple cameras. But honestly, once it's installed, the peace of mind knowing every angle is covered is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive coverage at an affordable price. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup without multiple cameras. For value, it's hard to beat.
Product number 5, Botslab G98H. We have the Botslab G98H, priced at $129.99. This dashcam really caught my eye with its promise of 4K clarity and advanced safety features. If you prioritize high-quality video and safety alerts, this is definitely worth a look. The G98H offers true 4K resolution on the front camera and 2K on the rear, powered by the IMX415 sensor. This means you'll capture every detail clearly, even in low light. It also has ADAS features that alert you to potential collisions, lane departures, and driver fatigue, which is a big plus for long trips. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 24/7 parking mode that activates with a hardwire kit, you'll be protected even when your car is off. The built-in GPS tracks your speed and routes, which is helpful for keeping your driving in check. This one's been bought over 500 times in the last month, showing it's a popular choice. However, some users pointed out that installing the hardwire kit can be a bit complex. But here's the thing, if you want a top-tier dashcam that keeps you safe and records everything clearly, this is a minor hurdle. This is perfect for you if you want advanced safety features and high-resolution video. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a more complicated installation. For quality and safety, it's a smart buy. To wrap it up, we've covered the Wolfbox G840S for its extensive features, the Vantrue N4S for its triple coverage, the Garmin Mini 3 for its compactness, the Zunfly W2 for budget-minded buyers, and the Botslab G980H for top-notch quality. Each option has its strengths, so consider what you need most in a dashcam to make the best choice for your driving safety.